Brethren, many of you have been asking me, where is Daddy? Where is Daddy? Little did you know that Daddy has been very sick in the hospital.
Will you keep quiet?
Oh, sorry. I mean, Daddy has been on the missionary field preaching the gospel. But I'm glad to announce to you today. Can I shock you? Can I shock you?
Child.
Okay, without wasting our time, join me as I welcome our Daddy, Daddy G.O creativity. God bless my Daddy. You're welcome, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Everybody join me. Come and enjoy me. Bang, bang, bang. Yes, for the last time. Everybody join me. Brethren, listen to me. If you reminisce on the word of God, you will understand that music is food to the soul. Also, if you look into the Bible, it was never recorded that David owed God praise. And did he pay any fee? No.
Oh my God.
Somebody say yes. Somebody say yes, sir. Brothers, be sincere. Stop acting too wise. You can't continue to lie and be two-faced to every woman forever. Have you forgotten what Delilah did after she kissed Daniel?
Continue.
And ladies, many of you want the cool guy because you think he has a cool face and he has a cool style, plus he's attractive. But do you know he might be the devil you never want to meet? Because even the devil doesn't have a black face. Do you know a rugged man or the so-called bad guys like Faust the bad guy might even be very nice?
It's like you're having tetanus in your brain.
The most important thing is for you to have somebody who spices your life. Talk to your neighbor, tell your neighbor, I need some flavor. I need some flavor. Can I preach? Yeah. Can I preach? Yeah.
Go and sit down.
Last week, I went to the ATM to get some money. Oh man, if you see the queue, I got angry, entered the banking hall, and I saw Don Jazzy, I saw Wizkid, I saw Tiwa Savage. I'm like, what is happening here? And I overheard the banker say, many celebrities bank here, even Ricardo banks too. No. 2 weeks ago, I went to counsel Dari at Alade's house. Hey! And his wife asked their maid, Shey, we have Coca-Cola for Daddy? She said no, that their driver Tunde had not returned from the store. And suddenly, I checked my techno phone and I saw 10 missed calls from the king's first son. I'm like, what is happening here?
I don't know.
I called back and that annoying lady said to copy this tune, press star.
Not down.
Make use of your brain now.
Can I shock you? Can I shock you? As I was about to drop the call, the prince picked and he asked, where am I? I said, Your Highness, I'm visiting the family. He said, Daddy, my wife is in labor, about to deliver my first daughter. Please come through. I said, no problem, sir. I will be on my way and I will be praying. Oh man, you need to see me. I felt a bit scared. I went straight to the hospital and began to pray that she scales through this experience.
Hey!
And suddenly, I saw his wife. She held the husband's hands and was wheeled into the labor room, accompanied by 2 huge nurses and 1 small doctor. And Suddenly I heard her screaming, "See what you have done to me! See what you have done for me!" And I heard the doctor say, "Madam, push! Madam, push!" And guess what?
What happened?
But instead, she born a boy.
The one with eyes of fire.
But I see
Your name is full of wonders. Come and manifest yourself.